How to assemble a human touch whole-body ROVE Pro massage chair. To get started, unpack the chair base and the 2 additional boxes. Next, open the accessories box and remove the power cord. Now, plug the power cord into a grounded outlet and into the rear of the chair, then power on the chair. Wait while the chair automatically restores to the upright position with the massage mechanism at the top of the backrest. Power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, remove the retaining clip from each of the 2 calf massager mounting posts. Open the larger box, then remove the calf massager. Remove the packaging, then position the calf massager in front of the chair base. Connect the calf massager hoses to the corresponding hoses from the chair, matching by color. Be sure to install each hose all the way onto the fitting. Next, connect the electrical connectors. Now, slide the calf massager mounting brackets onto the mounting posts on the chair. Install a retaining clip onto each mounting post, with the tongue facing to the right, to secure the massager to the chair. Next, remove the protective backing from the calf massager upholstered flap, then press the flap down onto the chair seat to secure it. Connect the body pad heat cable to the corresponding cable from the left-hand side of the chair. You will hear a click when the connection is secure. Now, starting at the top near the shoulder airbags, zip each side of the body pad to the chair. Lift the front of the body pad, then remove the protective backing from the hook and loop fasteners. Align the hook and loop fastener strips, then press down on the body pad to secure it. Next, remove the tablet remote from the accessory box and remove the packaging. Lift the right-hand side of the body pad to expose the tablet remote connector, then, aligning the pins and sockets, connect the tablet remote connector to the corresponding connector from the chair. Turn the connector lock clockwise to secure it. Now, position the tablet remote holder with the alignment ridge facing the front of the chair, then lower the holder into the socket until you hear a click. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.